Are the 6 kalimas bid'ah? The simple and straightforward answer is no. But some people might say, you've limited it to 6, whereas the Prophet didn't do this, and some of these kalimas are not found in the Sahih Hadith, so they must be bid'ah. And the answer is still no. Because the scholars throughout Islamic history, they have limited things to certain numbers just to make things easy for people. For example, I've memorized the 40 hadith of Imam Nawawi. Nowhere in Islam does it say to compile hadith in numbers of 40 and memorize them like this. But the scholars throughout history have done this anyways. Why? Simply because 40 is a very easy and accessible number of hadith to memorize. The same way 6 kalimas is a very simple and small amount that's very easy for children to memorize. Now, some people might object on the wording, that these wordings, some of them are not found in the Quran and Sunnah, and that's still not a problem. There are many books and poems in Aqidah that use wordings that are not found directly in the Quran and Sunnah. For example, there's a poem by Hafiz al-Hakimi known as Sullam al-Wusul fi Ilm al-Usul, and I've memorized part of it, and most of the lines, the wording is not directly from the Quran and Sunnah. But this is still not a problem. Why? Simply because these words are just used to instill good beliefs in the hearts of people. No one is claiming that they're revelation or part of the Quran or the Sunnah. So, these 6 kalimas, they're just meant as a very simple, small amount of statements to instill the beliefs of Tawheed and rejecting kufr in the hearts of children. Is there a better way to do this? Maybe, but just because there's a better way doesn't mean that this is wrong. The only time this becomes a problem is if people believe that no, you have to memorize the 6 kalimas, and this is not true. You don't have to. It's not an inherent part of the religion. I don't even have them memorized. But the point is that these 6 kalimas in and of themselves are not bid'ah.